This video is just a video for you to check your answer. I'm going to talk through a little bit of my work that I did for these last four. You should have tried these four on your own and then just be checking them right now. So 7 toy trucks less than Mickey has. Less than is a subtraction word. It's also one of those words we talked about earlier that kind of goes in backwards order because 7 less than Mickey has. Well, we have to do Mickey's minus the 7. So I said T. You could have picked A through Z to represent toy trucks Mickey has. Make sure that you're writing an entire phrase there, not just toy trucks. And then I wrote my expression. Expression does not have an equal sign. T minus 7. 7 toy trucks less than Mickey has. Mickey started with T, and then we take away 7 to see how much is left. Twice as much snow as Chicago got. Twice I underlined as a multiply by word. So S represents my unknown, which we don't know how much snow Chicago got. So S equals snow Chicago got. Twice always really means times 2. So I mean, you can even put like times 2 here. So I put 2S to represent twice the amount of snow that Chicago got. When a number and a variable are next to each other, it means they're being multiplied. The next one said 14 decreased by a number. Decreased by was a key word that I underlined and put a little subtraction symbol above. Decreased by means subtract. So I picked X. You could have picked A through Z. Equals your unknown number. And then 14 decreased by a number means we start with 14 and we're taking a number away. So 14 minus X is how I wrote my expression. And then the last one could have been a little tricky. Make sure you've got the right order. Order does matter. 3 friends will split the cost of pizza. Write an expression to represent how much each will pay. If we're splitting things into groups, we're dividing them into groups. So split is a division word. What we don't know is the cost of a pizza. So I said C equals the cost of pizza. And then we're taking the cost and dividing that by 3 because we're taking the whole cost and splitting it between the 3 friends. So I have C over 3, which is really the best way, in my opinion, to write it. Or you could have written with the division symbol C divided by 3 as your expression. So either of those work. Hopefully you've had a chance to check your answers. And now we're going to jump into some multi-step expressions on the inside.